Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Under today's topic arithmetic progression, let's see what is the question that we have. Now moving on to the question, it is given that find the sum of first 51 terms of an arithmetic progression whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So let's see how we can solve this question. Now moving on to solution.
So guys, as per this question, we need to find out the sum of the first 51 terms of the arithmetic progression where they have given the second and third term as 14 and 18 respectively. So let us note down the things that we have with us. Like they have given second term as 14 they have given, and I can write this one as A2, and they have given the third term as 18, and that one I can write that one as A3, and we need to find out the 51st term. So let us first of all write here as 51st term, and we need to first of all find out this one. So in order to find out S51, we need to find out A51, then only we can find out S51. So with this info in hand, we are going to work out our calculation and we are going to see how we are getting A51. Now what I will do, we know that A2, because we know that an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d, or when n is equal to 2, I can say a2 is equal to a1 plus 2 minus 1 into d, or that is equal to a1 plus d. Okay, so we found out like a2 is equal to a1 plus d. Now putting the value of a2, what we can get is like from these two, like we got a2 is equal to a1 plus d. Now let us find out d. D is equal to a3 minus a2, so that means 18 minus 14, that is equal to 4. So I can write a2 is nothing but 14 is equal to a1 plus 4, or I can say a1 is equal to 14 minus 4, that is equal to 10. Therefore a1 is equal to 10. So we got the value of a1 as 10. Now what we can do, now we can easily calculate out a51. So we got the value of a1 as 10 here. So I am just noting it down that a1 is equal to 10. That is what we calculated now. Now keeping this formula here, so I can write a51 is equal to a1 plus 51 minus 1 into d, or a51 is equal to a1 as 10, we got plus 50 into d value is 4, or I can say a51 is equal to 10 plus 200, 50 into 4 is 200. So a51 is equal to 210. So we got the value of a51 as 210. This value, guys, this is 210. Now let us find out this sum for, because as per the question they want us to find out the sum of the first 51 terms. So let us use that thing, a51, and we can get the sum, like 2sn is equal to n into a1 plus an. When n is equal to 51, I can write 251 is equal to 51 into a1 plus a51, or I can write 2s51 is equal to 51 into a1 we got as 10 plus a51 we got as 210, or I can write 2s51 is equal to 51 into 220, or I can say s51 is equal to, or I can say s51 is equal to 51 into 220 by 2, that is equal to 51 into 110, or I can write S51 is equal to, once we solve this equation we will get 5610. That's all. That's our answer, guys. S51, we got the value of S51 is 5610. This is what the question asked us to find out the value of S51, and we got the value of S51 is 5610. Hope guys you understood this calculation. This calculation is very easy and simple one. Just we need to follow a particular procedure and easily we can calculate. If you still have any questions or concerns, please write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.